Hi and welcome to MyCTOfriend, the place where non-technical founders build successful startups by improving their tech management skills. I'm Mary and today I'm going to answer a question from Mary, the founder of a sports coaching app. Her question is, what technology or language should I use to build an MVP? Before answering this question, let's add a bit of context. Mary is at the idea stage, but she already has an offline business with more than 1,000 clients and few dozens of coaches. Her goal is to industrialize her coaching program and create personalized training plans based on each individual's medical capacity. She is currently brainstorming multiple algorithms on how she could store her clients' information on her application. After defining the basic data structure in a Google spreadsheet, the next step is to connect the actual data with real customer interactions, and then finding a way to generate beautiful reports about each client's progress. The best way to do all of this is through online tools that happen to be a bit more advanced than a Google spreadsheet. The tools I personally recommend to create a basic MVP, a minimum viable product, and to handle your data simultaneously are Airtable, Coda, and Zapier. Airtable and Coda are to me the most advanced and flexible tools out there to handle not only advanced spreadsheets, but also forms and notifications. And by the way, you can also extend the functionalities of these tools by combining them with Zapier to interconnect everything. You could send emails, generate PDFs, manipulate files on Dropbox, create templates, etc., etc. All of it fully automated. It's practically limitless. And by the way, this is not a sponsored content. I am just sharing these tools with you because I know them, I work with them, and I genuinely recommend them. So let me give you first a taste of what you can do with Airtable. You can create spreadsheets with beautiful views. You can use their application to manage your client's data on the go. You can also have calendar views, which you can connect to any booking system thanks to Zapier. If you want a more visual approach, there is the gallery view as well. And on that note, one of the amazing features that this type of tools has to offer is not only to being able to store information in database, but you can also store files directly in your table, in your database. That's super convenient if you ask me. And you even have the Kanban project style view. So like Trello, but much more flexible. In fact, I know many startups that left other project management tools for Airtable, simply because it's much more flexible, easy to use, and you can create as many automations as you want. And last but not least, you can also design beautiful forms like you would with Google Forms or Typeform. And if you want to give Airtable a try, you don't have to start from scratch. There is dozens of templates for project management, CRM, sales pipeline, etc., etc. Okay, but that's enough words. Let me show you an example of something you can do with it. In Airtable, I can design, for instance, some sales pipeline. As example here, I can create like a client's card with as many information as I want. It's like a Google spreadsheet, and I can move them here. I have access to this same information under different view. I can see all deals in a Google spreadsheet format, and I can add as many columns or customize fields as I want. That's very, very convenient. The best thing is that with Zapier, I can generate some automation with it. I mean, when, as example, I'm going to move Toto from here to here, or maybe to apply, it can generate automatically files, templates, email, etc. Let me show you what I can do with the Typeform example. As example, I can create in Typeforms a Toto's project. Here I can put his name, so Toto. And I can put his email, so let me put mine, MyCTOfriend.com. And I can put several founders if I want, and just need to submit to generate the automation. This automation will go through a Zapier zap. So, which means whenever I'm going to have a new entry in this zap, it's going to format the text, then it's going to connect to Slack, which is the chat channel I am using. Then he's going to find a template, Google spreadsheet templates, and copy the file, then to generate some sharing sharing authorization for Toto to be able to access to that file for himself. And then I'm going to share the link to this file into the Slack channel that has been created and send a final email to that user. Let me show you how it goes. On my Google clients directory here, I don't have any Toto directory that exists yet, and neither on my Slack. If I connect on my Slack, this is Amory's test environment. So here I don't have Toto's project yet. So what I can do now, I can just submit on Typeform. Okay, submit, done. Now the Zap is going to run. It's going to create automatically the Toto's directory. Here we go. It just appears here. Inside the Toto project directory, I have now my both templates that will help Toto to follow my course and to put here all the links regarding how it works, etc., etc. And he's also going to have the onboarding and the vision templates where I ask him to put his milestone, to split his goals in quarter goals, monthly goals, etc. That's basically the way I work with my coaching clients. And the good news is that now Toto also have the Slack. Here we go. He has his own Slack channel for another one for his team as well. And he has access to the documents that we just copy here through this link, this first one and this second one. So basically that's exactly the same document we just opened, named with the name of the project. And now if I open my mailbox, here it is. I have an email that has been created with all the instructions for this client, as well as the links that are dedicated to him here, and a simple message that has been designed in my Zap. So to conclude and answer Mary's question, after figuring out how to structure your data in an Excel document or a Google spreadsheet, you can make it more dynamic and put your entire structure into a real online tool like Airtable or Coda to enable real customer interactions with forms, emails, automations, etc. And now if like Mary you have a specific question for your project, just go ahead and ask on myctofriend.co/ask. I will do my best to answer your question by video or redirect you to an existing content that will answer it. And I publish new video every week, so subscribe now and learn how to be better at tech management and build your startup successfully. Also be sure to go through our other content at myctofriend.co to learn more from real startup growth experiences. I will be waiting for your question and I look forward to seeing you in other videos. Cheers!